Functions are small modules which, if written once, can be called several times just to avoid repetition of work. And the best part is that you can call the same function with different parameters, with different values. So the different values can be processed by the same function. So it reduces a lot of coding. Secondly, what happens that a major application is divided into small modules, and these different modules are made by different persons, so that huge application can be built up with the teamwork. So functions play a major role in building big applications. This is calculating area of rectangle. Formula is given, length into breadth, and the value of length and breadth is also given. The value of length is 10, the value of breadth is 5. Now doing it with function. See, this is a function. The functions in Python begins with def keyword. After that there is a function name. Then there are parentheses. Within the parentheses we'll be using parameters. We'll be understanding parameters in the next program. And finally there is a colon. These indented statements are the body of the function. Okay. Now what happens is, this is the function, but it is of no use if it is not called. So this is the function defined, and here it is called. See, this is the main function where you are using a print statement. Area of rectangle is, and this rect. This is invoking of the function. So by calling the function, control will search for a def and rect, right? And if it is found, it will execute its body. So control will jump over here. It will initialize the values of the two variables length and breadth. Length is initialized to 10 and breadth is initialized to 5. Return means go back to the main function and take the result of this expression, length into breadth, that is 50. So control will jump back to the main function and the result which was mentioned in return will be placed here. So the output will be area of rectangle is 50. Got it? If the function is not returning anything, you can write return none, or if you don't write anything with return, default is done, and you can even remove the return statement. In that case also, the Python will assume that the none has to be returned to the main function. So let's copy this program. We'll go to the spider ID, I'll paste it over here and run it. Area of rectangle is 50. Can you see it?